The men starting here. Innovative event, the mixed relay. This is the final. Remember, we are ending day 1 with a final.
Yeah, that's going to be the 12th final for the opening day.
Now setting off there. Ghosh, Kerala, Pankaj Mondal, Odisha, Mohit Kumar, Haryana, Balasubramaniam of Tamil Nadu, Glenn Nazareth, Maharashtra, Lalit Bhatti of Delhi. Far side. Far side. Now coming into the bend towards the 120 meters. Into the home straight. We've got 7 Maharashtra now taking that lead. Well, that lead might help them. That lead might help them. Glenn Nazareth now hands over the baton to Pranjal Bachi. Will they be able to hold on to that lead, Maharashtra? Pranjal Bachi. These are the women now who have taken over.
And there is Haryana, which is in front, being followed by Maharashtra. And in the third position, we have Tamil Nadu.
So for Haryana, it is Asha in the lead. Maharashtra with the lead starting off. Pranjal Bachi. She has now slipped into the second position.
Third is Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu have M. Akslin.
Now moving to second.
Now moving to second, yes. The Maharashtra girl, Pranjal Bachi, has been pipped there by Asha taking the lead, and Tamil Nadu, M. Akslin. That's a nice baton handover now as the men once again take over. Is it Haryana, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra? That's the pattern. The others, Muthu, I don't think have a chance.
Yes, the second runner is having a good chance as he is very tall. He can put up. Yeah, now you see there is a change.
So that is Suhas Dake of Maharashtra who now takes the lead, but that might be a temporary lead. He's looking strong. You have lane number 5 that who started off is Haryana with Rahul, and Tamil Nadu's Raja Karthik. Maharashtra will be the first that Suhas Dake will hand it over. Taking over is Isha Jadhav. She's strong. She's opened up about 5 meters, Muthu.
Yes.
Will Maharashtra be able to hold on to that?
And Tamil Nadu, which was occupying the second position for quite some time, a brief time, is now occupying the third position.
So Haryana with Tamanna, Tamil Nadu with Harshita, Isha Jadhav for Maharashtra. That lead now opening up to about 10 meters. She's looking strong. So Maharashtra there virtually towards the finish, and Haryana will take the silver. So there she is. They were in lane number 7. Glenn Nazareth started off for them. Pranjal Bachi took the second. Suhas Dake continued.